Welcome, intrepid explorers. Prepare to be whisked away on a virtual journey through the enchanting of Iran, where history and culture intertwine in a symphony of beauty and wonder. As we meander through the ancient streets and vibrant bazaars of this magical city, let your imagination soar and your curiosity be piqued by the treasures that await around every corner. From the majestic architecture of its mosques and palaces to the fragrant gardens that bloom with poetry and romance, Iran beckons you to immerse yourself in its rich tapestry of sights and sounds. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and untold stories of this captivating destination, and let the spirit of Iran captivate your soul. Like, share, and subscribe to embark on this unforgettable adventure with us. Let's dive into the wonders of Iran together. Today we have come to an extremely cheap and strange market in Iran. A place where you can find every device, every tool, and every food. The market of everything. This market is held only on one day of the week, and thousands of visitors and hundreds of sellers gather in this place to buy or sell. Mashhad, Friday Market. The variety of goods and prices in this Friday market is so high that you need several hours to visit here and a pair of tireless feet. Before you buy anywhere else, we suggest you visit this market. As you can see, now that the new solar year has just started in Iran, most of the items are related to it. Colored chickens, red fish, hafts and tableware, etc. Don't be surprised if you see a child selling batteries or paper towels here, or a woman selling knitted items or even tools. Here everyone sells anything to make money. Perhaps it can be considered similar to the local markets of India and Pakistan. We hope you enjoy visiting this market.
آجی نگاه یه شیلم بیار جوجه رنگی ده
نه اینکه اون زن است که عوض کرده.
قصه میمونه